So, hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing update for too long. So the first fix is delete the update. For this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the iOS update. You'll find it here. The settings symbol will be on it, iOS update. And if you find it, simply what you have to do, tap on it and tap on delete and delete the update. Now the second fix, re-download the update. Tap on general again, tap on software update, and again if the update appear, download and install the update. The third fix is reset network settings. For this, go to settings homepage, tap on general again. This time scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and tap on reset network settings. Now the fourth and last fix is update using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable, open iTunes on your computer and download and install the update using iTunes. So that's it. These are the 4 fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.